Welcome to this tutorial on how to crochet the invisible treble crochet decrease. It's a great way to decrease one stitch when you're crocheting. Start by yarning over 2 times. Then you're going to skip one stitch and insert a crochet hook into the front loop of the next stitch. So inserting the crochet hook into the next stitch, then you're going to go back to the skipped stitch and insert a crochet hook into the front loop of that stitch as well. Then you have 2 loops on the crochet hook, then yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2. And you have done a invisible treble crochet decrease. Let's do another one, yarn over 2 times. Skip one stitch and insert a crochet hook in the front loop of the next stitch. Then go back to the skipped stitch and insert a crochet hook into that stitch. You may be wondering why you're skipping and going back, but it looks better. So yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. And you've done another invisible treble crochet decrease. I'm just going to crochet a couple regular treble crochet stitches so you can see how invisible the invisible treble crochet decrease is. So I'm finishing up another regular treble crochet just to show you, and you can see that the 2 invisible treble crochet decreases almost disappears. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.